Hello everyone, welcome back to my podcast. Today I'll be talking about one topic which is very important in our everyday lives. Ever since the corona started, I'm sure this has become a part of everyone's routine. I'm going to talk about fitness. To put it simple, physical activity and exercise is important for everyone. Physical activity promotes good health and you should stay active throughout all stages of your life, regardless of your body type or BMI. Understanding the benefits of physical fitness and knowing how active you should be can help you maintain good health and improve your overall quality of life. So, today in my podcast, I'm going to be talking about what inspires you to exercise. How do you find the inspiration to exercise when you just don't feel like getting out of your bed? Pushing yourself, inspiring yourself to do exercise is not easy, but there's always a way. By exercise here, I mean workout or any kind of physical activity that requires your muscles and strength. It can be of any form of exercise. For example, yoga, Zumba, running, brisk walk, swimming, etc. There's so many types of workouts available if you really want to work out and if you want to stay fit. Nothing is impossible if you have the will to do it. Sky is within your reach. Strength doesn't come from what you can do, it comes from overcoming the things you thought you couldn't do. I have had days when I've struggled with motivating myself to do some stretching and exercise, but it is important for me to find a way. If not, I will always find an excuse. There are so many ways to inspire yourself to exercise, but there are few that have worked for me and hope it works for you too. So I'm sharing my bit of knowledge what I have today about what inspires me the most to work out. First and the foremost, time for contemplation. I love the quiet time of exercise for thinking about things. I thought about this podcast and the list of inspiration while I was walking down the lane. You could likewise think of anything which doesn't require you to be sitting in front of a computer or watching TV. It is important for you to spend the time properly. Second, exercise is all about having fun. Exercise should be fun. Being outdoors is what I enjoy the most. I enjoy walking down the lane and the feel of the fresh air is just so relaxing. Find what suits your interest and something that you can enjoy. Exercise doesn't always mean you have to do abs or crunches or bench press or running. It can be of any form of exercise. You can find your own routine and enjoy what you do. Third, being attractive. That's always a good motivator for me. I'm sure we all know losing weight and feeling fit is always on our mind. Being attractive is not just for others to see you, it is for oneself to feel confident as well. I have lost 25 kgs in nearly 5 months and I have never ever felt so confident. I felt more confident in what I do and so will you. Fourth, rewards. When I'm on a proper diet and gym, I make sure that I reward myself. I make sure that I treat myself with a cheat day. Cheat day could be eating your favorite food. It could be eating rice, it could be eating some junk food, but that one day should act as a positive reward for the next coming up week. Reward could be of any form, big or small, doesn't matter. If you exercise for a few days, give yourself a reward. A week, another reward. Do it often in the beginning to keep pushing yourself. If you feel that rewarding yourself would not work, ask your friend or sibling to do so. Fifth, gives me a good sleep. More often than not, a good exercise in a day is followed by a good sleep at night. I tend to do my workouts in the evening, post my office work so that my body feels exhausted and I can have a good, relaxing and comfort sleep. Sixth, an exercise partner. Find someone or a group of people who equally enjoy exercise and set up time on the calendar. This will help all of you to push each other. I have seen this to be one of the most effective ways to stay motivated. I love partner workouts. This combines your time to socialize as well as gets your exercises completed. Seventh, an exercise graph. For some reason, writing it down is extremely important. Do it for a week and you'll see what I mean. It gives you the motivation to do a little more the next time. You will always see that you improve on your numbers when you follow a proper schedule. By schedule, I mean a proper workout pattern and a proper strict diet. 8. Reaching a goal. Set a goal for weight or your waist measurement or a number of days to work out or a number of miles to run every week or number of steps. Setting and tracking a goal helps inspire you to complete that goal. Set the target to be realistic and achievable. 9. Work out to stay fit. Keeping yourself healthy and fit can help you avoid a lot of diseases. As a simple example remedy like stretching your body for a little while every day can help avoid backache. Regular physical activity can help you prevent or manage a wide range of health problems and concerns. 10th, calories burned. If you count the calories, and it's really one of the most effective ways to lose weight, you know that the more you exercise, the more calories you burn and the bigger is your calorie deficit. 11th, an exercise class. Sign up for a class, perhaps with a friend, and you'll be inspired to get there and work out. Having a coach or a trainer is another way to keep you going. Usually, instructors and coaches keep you motivated and will help you achieve your goal. Personally, I feel having an instructor, a coach, a guide is very essential when you're into fitness. 12th, music. One thing I always do when I exercise is listen to music. It is such a mood booster. Music has always inspired me to do a little more. Carefully pick the best of your music collection and play it all along when you work out. And trust me, it acts as a stress relief. 13. Stress relief. Are you tired after a long day of work at office? It makes a world of difference and makes you ready to go back to your work all energetic the next day. It helps you shed those serious topics and discussions done during your day and not carry those into your sleep. 14. Inspirational quotes. I love listening to inspirational quotes. I love printing them. I love putting them on the computer because it gives me a boost, it gives me an energy, and it helps me and it reminds you that you have a target to achieve. 15. Before and after picture. This is another effective mechanism to keep you motivated. Compare your recent picture to a previous one. You will know what I'm talking about, and I'm sure you will shed those extra calories by keeping yourself fit. 16. Inspire others. The one and the most important one I saved for the last. I feel very inspired by inspiring others. I feel very motivated. My friends look up to me to help them be fit. It is a great feeling in itself when you know that you can help others achieve their goals. In doing so, I enjoy and also learn a lot from teaching and coaching them. At the end, I want to inspire people. I want someone to look at me and say, because of you, I didn't give up. These are just the least of the reasons that inspire me to go out and do some exercise. What is that one factor that inspires you to work out? Leave a comment or two and share your experiences, and it will be a great way for all of us to learn more tips from you. Until then, spreading lots of happiness and positivity. Stay tuned to Sharni Narayana podcast.